Hi, I'm Saroj. I'm going to present the poster on abnormal easy connectivity during resting state motor planning and motor execution in amyotrophic lateral sclerosis as presenting author on behalf of Academic Unit of Neurology, Trinity College Dublin. Functional connectivity has been used to identify abnormal brain networks in neurodegenerative disease such as ALS. Altered functional connectivity is evident within sensory motor networks in ALS during resting states. However, network disruption in ALS during motor tasks is not fully understood. So the objectives of this study were to quantify functional connectivity during rest and tasks in controls in ALS for identifying abnormal brain networks in ALS and to classify ALS from controls based on those abnormal brain networks. Whereas the overarching aim of this study is to design biomarkers of motor network disruption in ALS. For this, we have recorded resting states and motor task EEG data. The motor experiment was an isometric print script between thumb and index finger of right hand to maintain 10% of MPC upon presentation of visual cues. EEG data from 11 healthy controls and 22 ALS patients were recorded using 128 channel biosemi system. Out of 128 channels, 6 contralateral and 2 ipsilateral channels were analyzed based on their position on the scalp as shown in table. After recording, the data were pre-processed and analyzed offline using Filtrip on MATLAB. The result from resting states showed that there was abnormal functional connectivity in ALS within ipsilateral motor networks at theta band. Also, abnormal functional connectivity in frontal region was observed in ALS at beta and gamma bands. During motor planning, abnormal sensory motor network at alpha band and an abnormal frontoparietal network at gamma band was observed. Similarly, abnormal functional connectivity in frontal region was observed at alpha and beta bands. During motor execution, abnormal sensory motor network at theta band and an abnormal motor parietal network at beta band was observed. Similar to resting state in motor planning, an abnormal functional connectivity at frontal region was observed at alpha and gamma bands. A significant negative correlations were observed at beta band between ALS-FRS scores and frontal network during resting states and between ALS-FRS scores and motor parietal network during motor execution. The classification results showed increased classification accuracy going from resting state motor planning to motor execution. When the features from all the experiments combined, we were able to discriminate ALS from controls with an accuracy of about 91%. From results, we observed an overall increase in functional connectivity during rest and in tasks. An abnormal frontal network during resting state at beta band corroborates with previously reported findings. An abnormal beta band frontoparietal network during motor planning and abnormal motoparietal network at motor execution may reflect task-based compensatory mechanism in ALS. With this, we came to the conclusion that the amalgamation of abnormal functional connectivity obtained during rest and tasks can reliably discriminate ALS from controls. At last, we'd like to thank everyone who was directly or indirectly involved in this study and the funders. These are some references. Thank you.